Hello. In this Tropo Quickstart guide video, I will be demonstrating how Tropo can automatically transcribe caller input using the record method. So along with the record method, the only thing you really need to add to your application to do this is transcription out URI. And the transcription out URI, you can define it as a post to your web server, or in this case, it's just going to directly email the transcription. But there's also some optional parameters you can include, which I've done here. The transcription ID, which along with the transcription will capture the caller ID of the person who actually placed the call. And the caller ID will give us a unique identifier in this case, so we can match the call with the transcription once we receive it. So to go through the rest of the application here, I'm capturing the caller ID in a variable called caller ID. As soon as the call is answered, it'll say, "Welcome to Speed Therapy. Tell us how you feel in 15 minutes or less. Press pound when finished." So you can see I set the terminator as the pound sign. The beep equals true, meaning that it'll play a beep right before the recording is supposed to start. The max time value is set in seconds, and this property will limit the recording duration to the value here, 60 seconds. The maximum allowable duration for transcription is 240 seconds or 4 minutes, so be sure not to go above 240 seconds max time. And the record URI parameter tells Tropo where to send the recording to. In this case, I'm FTPing it directly to my Tropo hosted account. Now, Tropo will not keep recordings generally longer than a couple weeks, so it's probably best if you're going to be doing this on a larger scale besides testing to send it to an outside web server. Then you could store those securely and conveniently. But for testing purposes, you could certainly use your Tropo account and just FTP the recordings right there. And then after the recording is finished, we'll play back the recording to the caller. Let's see how it works out.
Welcome to Speed Therapy. Tell us how you feel in 15 minutes or less. Press pound when finished.
Hello. I feel like $1 million today.
You said,
"Hello, I feel like $1 million today."
And just a few moments later, I received this email, which says, "Hello, I feel like $1 million today." And it's identified by my caller ID. That's all there is to it.